Today we are checking out the Yamaha P71, an exclusive 88-key digital piano that promises the authentic feel of an acoustic grand without breaking the bank. Whether you are a beginner wanting that true hammer action touch or a seasoned player needing a portable practice rig, this sleek black unit might just hit the right notes. Key features and specifications. This model packs 88 fully weighted piano-style keys with Yamaha's graded hammer standard action to mimic the resistance you'd feel on an acoustic piano. You get 10 onboard voices, digitally sampled from Yamaha's world-class grand pianos, and a dual mode that lets you layer two sounds, imagine piano plus strings, for richer textures. It also offers 64-note polyphony, built-in stereo speakers, a headphone jack, USB connectivity for MIDI control, and comes complete with a sustain pedal and power adapter. Price: with an MSRP of $449.99, it sits in the mid-budget range for full-size weighted pianos. Street price often falls around $399.99, making it a standout value for what you get. Pros and cons. Pros: times authentic hammer action feel, times premium Yamaha piano voices, times lightweight and slim design, 12 depth, times plug and play with included pedal and adapter. Cons: times limited to 10 voices, times no built-in recording or split mode, times 64-note polyphony can drop notes in complex passages. Customer review summary. Most users rave about the realistic touch and rich tonal quality, especially for the price. Beginners love how it feels like a real piano, while commuters appreciate the portability. A few folks wish Yamaha had added more advanced features like onboard recording or additional effects, but overall satisfaction is high. Should you buy it or not? If you are after a no-frills, high-quality weighted keyboard that won't empty your wallet, the Yamaha P71 is a solid bet. However, if you need extensive sound options or performance features, split mode, recording, higher polyphony, you might want to explore higher-end models. In short, great for learning and practice. Consider other options if you need advanced studio or performance capabilities.